Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to design and simulate a non-inverting operational amplifier using LTspice. Our objective is to amplify a 5-volt input signal into a 15-volt output signal using an operational amplifier. Along the way, we'll understand how the circuit works, calculate the voltage gain, and then verify our design through the simulation. So let's get started. Let's begin with the calculations and find the values of our components that we are going to apply in the schematic. First of all, the non-inverting amplifier gains formula is AV is equals to 1 plus RF upon RI. Then we'll put 20 kilo ohms resistance as a feedback resistance and then 10 kilo ohms as an input resistance. Then ultimately we are going to have a gain of 3. Since our input voltage is 5 volts, then output voltage would be equal to gain multiplied by input voltage, and we'll have the output voltage with a peak of 15 volts. Now we will simulate the circuit in the LTspice software. As we can see here, the input wave is 5 volts and the output wave is perfectly amplified with a peak of 15 volts. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and please check our website.